You tell us what you need. We'll figure out a way of working inside of those parameters to help you out, to alleviate those pains, alleviate that pressure, and do the project management and take a trading partner from beginning to end and make it be successful. I want to go over EDI project management and how can you stay involved in that EDI project management and be aware of what's going on. So typically here at EDI Support, when we're doing the EDI project management or the implementation of a trading partner or an EDI solution or the combination, what we do is like one of the first things that we do with EDI project management is we ask for contacts throughout your company that's going to be involved with that particular trading partner, and also contacts that we need to reach out to in regards to that EDI trading partner. So if you give us those contacts, what we do from that point is we actually take on the role of your EDI project manager. We typically do the implementation, the management, the whole 9 yards. We then reach out to those EDI trading partners and we say, hey, we're EDI Support. We were hired by company ABCD. And we're here to work with you in getting things set up and moving forward. With that, we keep you or whatever contact you want on those email threads so that you can trace through, and it can be multiple people in your company or in your organization, so that you can trace through as we move that project forward. Along with that, sometimes we'll use outside sources, like we'll update your Asana, or we'll have an Asana account assigned for you, or other types of solutions that you like us to use. Monday.com, there's a whole bunch of them out there. But if you ask us, hey, can you update these so that we can track them along with you? We will do that. We will keep you on the email thread. We will update the information. We will even do weekly meetings to give you a progress report of where you're at along that project management. So that's what you need, is you need a company or a partner that's going to be involved and, again, feel as though they're working at your organization, because we're an extension. That's how we look at it at EDI Support. So any solution provider, outside consultant, anybody that's doing the job for you and they don't work on your staff per se, they should be doing that. They should be treating you that way because you're paying them. You're paying a fee for them to do that. So again, EDI, implementations, project management, you should be looking at tracking software so that you can track that project. If you don't have tracking software, you can alleviate or ask the company that's doing it to add that function or feature. Do things occur and I'm not ever saying that there's not issues that arise or implementations that might go a little sideways. It happens. Everybody's human. These are humans that are involved. We're all working out for the best interest of your organization. But if we're committed to trying to keep you involved and saying, hey, we ran into this, and not hide it so that you find it out 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, or right before you're ready to implement, and then it's all of a sudden a major issue or a major hurdle to overcome. Again, so you want to look at companies that are going to allow you, keep you on an email thread, involve you in conference calls if you want to be, involve you how you want inside of that project management.